Do you have multiple Excel or CSV file with the same structure and want to combine them into one single dataset? In this video, I'll show you how to do it easily using append queries in Power BI. No coding, no stress. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning one of the most useful Power BI feature, that is append queries. This features help you combine data from multiple tables or files into one. Let's get started. Open Power BI, go to Home, go to Transform Data. So you need to load two files or more than two files here. You can load more than two files. So I have already loaded two files here. You can see on the left side, one is financials, another one is customers. In this, the column should be similar. Okay, the column headers should be similar, and the number of columns that we have should be similar. So you can see here the column names in both the files are similar. Choose those two files which you want to combine or append the queries. In this case, financials and customers. Then go to Home. In Home, you can see here the name, append queries. If you want the data to be in the same sheet, for example, financials and customers, if you want the data to be combined, financial data into customer sheet or customers data into financial sheet, you can choose append queries. Or you want to create a new file, then go with the append queries as new. Click on this. Select the first table. First table will be by default because you have selected the table here on the left side in the query span. The second table will be customers. Click OK. You will see all rows combined in one table. The name you can see here, it says append one. Let's rename this to combine data. Hit enter. Now close and apply. So in the data pane you can see the new data pane here, the combined data. So append queries help us combine data from multiple sources with the same columns. It saves times, keeps records, reports dynamic, and makes data refresh automatic. If you found this helpful, let me know. So this is one way of doing. The other way of doing, if you want, now you have combined both the files, financial and customers, and you want to know the data is coming from which file or which source, which segment. Okay, so now this combined data has got information from customer and financial, two tables. Right now you want to know from which table which data is coming. So how we can do, let's see. Go back to Home, Transform Data. So what we have to do here, let's add a column. Okay, at the end let's add a column. Go to Transform, go to add column, custom column. Say category, mention table 1, or you can give any name. You can even give the table name financials 1 or something, or financial. Click OK. Do the same thing with the customers data as well. Insert a column. Remember, the column name should be same. You can name this as a table 2, or you can name this as a customers as well. Now you can see the category table here, category column in this table, in this table also category. Okay, so you can see the column name, category, table 1, category, table 2. Now After adding a columns to identify it in an easy way, now you want to add, you can again append this as a new query. Let's close and apply. I will not rename it for now. Okay. So now I'll show you. Take anyone, go to append, choose the category. You can see the table 1 and table 2. Let's take a table, add country, add a sale here, or you can add a segment as well. Let's make it bigger. If you select table 1, the data changes. This is coming from the financial table. If you select table 2, the data gets changes. So this is coming from the customer table. If you want to add the table names here, you can add the category too. So let's bring this up. Okay, so the category is here. Select table 2. You can see here the table 2. Only the table 2 data is coming. If I unselect, it says table 1, table 2, table 1, table 2. If I select table 1, it shows only the table 1 data. Thank you.